topic is a practical session using the MATLAB tool in the control system subject. In the last session, we will study about how to find out the transfer function using the value of pole and 0, and then we have to find the value of pole and 0 using the transfer function. After that, we have to simulate a step input with the first order and the second order transfer function, and then we have to find which type of system is there, like it is the on-time system or the unstable system, stable system, overtime system or the critical time system. In the today's session, we will study about to sketch the root locus plot for the different open loop transfer function. Now, as you know, whenever we apply a root locus in the theory purpose, then we have to follow some rules to find out the stability of the system using the root locus method. Now, in the MATLAB, we have to define the stability of the system. We have to define only the value of numerator and the denominator, and the command is, suppose h is equal to transfer function 1 and 4, that is the coefficient of the numerator, and 1 1 minus 2, that is the coefficient of the denominator, and using the value of numerator and denominator we have to find the transfer function of the system, and then simply we have to write only one command rlocus in the bracket of h, and we have to find the system stability of this particular transfer function. Okay, so we cannot follow any rules in this practical session. So if we can find the stability criteria using the root locus method, we can simply write the command rlocus in the bracket of this system, then we have to find the value of this stability of this system. Okay, so this is in the practical number 4. Now in the practical number 5, we have to plot the Bode plot from the given system, and for the Bode plot compulsory we have a transfer function. Suppose a is equal to tf, that is equal to minus 2, minus 1 and minus 3, and simply we have to write the command Bode in the bracket of a, and using this command we have to find the gain margin of the system, phase margin of the system, gain crossover of the system and the phase crossover system. Okay, now the next practical we have to find the polar plot of this open loop system, and the transfer function is given, and using the transfer function and using the command is that polar in the bracket of h, we can find the polar plot of the system, and the last one is we have to find the Nyquist plot for the open loop transfer function, and the command of the Nyquist plot is Nyquist in the bracket of h. So how we can find this polar plot, root locus, Bode plot and Nyquist plot, that we have shown in the MATLAB tool. Okay, and the last one is the convert the given system from the state space to the transfer function, and the transfer function to the state space. Suppose the value of the state space is given a, b, c, d. So using the value of, we can find the transfer function of this particular system, and suppose the transfer function is given, so using the value of transfer function we have to find the value of state space. So the command is g is equal to, first of all we can derive transfer function of the system. After that the command is transfer function to state space tf to access, that convert the transfer function to state space. If we can convert the state space into the transfer function, the command is sh to transfer function. Okay, that we have also studied in the MATLAB tool. Okay, so this is the command window of the MATLAB tool. Okay, now as you seen earlier, we have defined the value of numerator numerator and the denominator, and then we have to find the transfer function of the system. Today we have to find the value of root locus, and then we can see the stability of the system. For that we have defined the transfer function of the system. Suppose h, that is equal to tf in the bracket 1, 4. This is the coefficient of the numerator, bracket complete, comma, again bracket 1, 1, minus 2. Okay, and this small bracket is completed. Okay, so this is my transfer function of this particular system. It is s plus 4 upon s square plus s minus 2. So in this example, we have a transfer function of this system. Now we have to find the root locus of this particular transfer function, and command of the root locus is rlocus. In this bracket, we have defined the transfer function h is equal to. So we can put in the bracket h, bracket completed, and then see here, this is the plot of the root locus. Okay, this is the dotted line shows the not root locus area, and the dark line so this is the root locus area. And whenever we find the center point of the system, then the angle of the asymptote, number of poles and zeros, and then we have to find the value of s, imaginary value of s, and the value of gain, and then we have to find the value of root locus. So here, whenever we click this system, so here you can see that the gain of the system is this, the value of the pole is this, the damping factor zeta of the system is here, and the frequency of the system is here. So simply using one command rlocus in the bracket of the system name, we can find the stability of the system. Here you can see that the graph or the poles and zero located in the right hand side, that means this is the stable system of the transfer function. Okay, now next practical is we have to find the Bode plot of this particular transfer function, and the transfer function is given a, that is equal to transfer function in the small bracket minus 2. This is the coefficient of the numerator, and this again the coefficient of the denominator is minus 1 space minus 3 bracket complete. So this is the transfer function of the system 2 upon s plus 3. Now we have to find the Bode plot of the system. So simply we can write the command Bode. In the bracket, we can define the system A is equal to, so we can put here A, and here you can see that this is the Bode diagram of this particular transfer function. This is the magnitude plot, and this is the phase plot. So in the theory, we have to find the magnitude, we have to find the different phase angle and the resultant phase, and then we have to draw this Bode diagram. In the MATLAB, simple, you can put a Bode in the bracket of the system equation, we can get this block diagram. Suppose we can click here, so here you can see that the frequency is given, the magnitude is given, here the phase angle is given. So using this command, we have to find the system magnitude plot and the phase plot using the Bode diagram. Okay, now the third method is we have to find the polar plot of the system, and the command of the polar plot is Ez polar. So first of all, we have to define the transfer function of the system. Suppose x, that is equal to transfer function in the small bracket, we have to derive the numerator and denominator coefficient. So 1, 0, 0, bracket completed, okay, and comma, coefficient of the denominator is like 1, 2 and 3. So this is my transfer function of this system. Now for this particular transfer function, we have to find the value of the polar plot. So the command is z polar in the small bracket. Okay, we have put x. So this is my z polar of the system. Here you can see that the blue line indicates the polar plot of the system. Same problem that we have solved in the theory session, that this type of polar plot is given. Okay, and the last plot is the Nyquist plot. So for that Nyquist plot, first of all we have to define the transfer function h, that is equal to tf in the small bracket. First of all we have to derive the numerator coefficient, suppose it is 1, and in the another bracket this is my denominator coefficient. Okay, so this is the transfer function 1 upon s plus 1. Now what is the command to find out the Nyquist plot? It is the Nyquist in this small bracket h. Okay, so this is my Nyquist plot of this particular system. So simply, if we can find the stability of the system with the trial and error, that time we have put here a different transfer function of the system, and then we have to find the stability of the system. Suppose we can put the transfer function like s square upon s square plus 2s plus 3, and there using this transfer function, if we can get the unstable system, that time we can simply change the value of numerator coefficient and the denominator coefficient, and using the method trial and error we can find the system stability transfer function. And the last practical is we have to find the value of transfer function using the state space, and then we have to find the state space using the transfer function. And the command is, suppose first of all we have applied the command clc. Okay, that clear the command window. Now the input is given, suppose g, that is equal to transfer function. The coefficient of the numerator is 1, 3, and the coefficient of the denominator is 1, 4, 8, 9. Okay, bracket completed. Okay, now we have to find the transfer function to the state space. So the command is a comma b comma c comma d, that is equal to transfer function to state space. This is the command to convert transfer function to the state space. In the bracket we have to write the numerator coefficient comma denominator coefficient, bracket completed. Okay, so simply we have write to transfer function tf to ss, we have to find the value of a, b, c, d. Okay, now the next is, if we can find the value of state space to transfer function, so we can define, suppose and m, that is equal to ss to transfer function. In this small bracket we have value of a, b, c, d, so we can put here a comma b comma c comma d. Okay, using the value of a, b, c, d we have to find the value of transfer function. Okay, so there is some error, n comma m, that is equal to ss to transfer function in the small bracket a, b, c, d. N comma m, that is equal to state space to transfer function in the small bracket a comma b comma c comma d. Small bracket completed. So this is the value of numerator and denominator, and using the value of n and m we can find the value of transfer function. Suppose y that is equal to transfer function in the bracket n comma m. Okay, so using the value of state space we can find the transfer function of this system. Thank you everyone. If anyone have doubt, then contact me in this email ID.